In this tutorial you will learn how to fit the body of an interchangeable character to a cloth in the Cloth Converter tool. In some application scenarios, we have a cloth model but we do not have the body model inside the cloth. For example, many cloth models on the internet do not have their corresponding body models. In order to convert such a cloth to an interchangeable cloth asset, we must fit the body of this interchangeable character to the cloth. This tutorial shows how to do it. This is an example of such a cloth. You see there is no body inside and we need to fit this body to this cloth by deforming. We normally do this in 2 steps. The first step is this step. Step 1, build character, in which we use a character builder to set up the shape to fit the cloth as much as possible. Let's click this button. Then we adjust all these parameters to set up the shape to match it as much as possible. Assume we have done it before and exported the parameter settings to files. We can load the parameter settings back directly to Build Character. We have used Character Builder to set up the shape to fit the cloth. Mismatchings. You see here. So the fitting is not perfect. To make the fitting perfect, 50:00:03:37, 520. Let's go to the second step. Deform character shape. First change the mode to this one. Then let's fit this one to this one. Now we need to solve 2 issues. First, there are some parts of the clothes which not close to the body face of the body inside. These parts are not useful, and let's delete them first. Let's check if there are any double-side faces, and delete the parts inside. The remaining cloth is tightly wrapped on the body inside. But it's still not the body inside. Let's assume it's 5 millimeters above the surface of the body inside. So we need to fit the body to the cloth in such way that the cloth is 5 millimeters above the surface of the matched body. Let's show how to do it. To do it first, let's set this parameter in this mode. You see, click this button. Now the default one is 0. Let's change it to 5 millimeters. Then select all the faces and move mouse to this button to see its function, which set the selected faces to have a fixed height, i.e. distance, with the surface of the source model. Let's click this button. Another issue is this part is not close to the surface of the body inside. We can either delete it, or we can change its parameter setting. Set it to be irrelevant. Let's change shading to wireframe. This area has distance larger than 5 millimeters. Let's select this part. And check the height, which is 5 millimeters now. Then click this button. Let's go back to this mode and click this button. Now let's do matching. Now we just need to deform this part to fit the cloth, and we don't want to change the other part. Let's fix the other part. To do it, click this button and select the parts we don't want to change. Now go back to this mode. This button creates link point pairs automatically on all the selected points. Let's click this button. Then let's do point and face matching to fit this body to this cloth. Click this button. Here we need to do point and face matching together. Let's click OK to start matching. Click on this button, then click on this one. Let's do an exercise. Change some parameters and see the results. Click this button to change the mode. Then let's change the parameter. This one from 5 millimeters to -5, so it's a negative value. Then select a part of the cloth to use this parameter. Clicking this button, then click this button to deform again. We use the same setting. Click OK. Now for this cloth part, the body is 5 millimeters above its surface. And this cloth part is 5 millimeters above the body surface. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.